Peaceful discourse, mastering the art of agreeing to disagree. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our ongoing series on conversational English. Today, we are venturing into an important part of expressing likes and dislikes, agreeing to disagree. This is particularly crucial when it comes to managing discussions where your preferences may not match those of the person you're speaking with. Let's get started. So, what does it mean to agree to disagree? This phrase is often used when two or more people realize they have different views on a topic, but they decide not to argue about it anymore, essentially maintaining a peaceful conversation. It's an important aspect of being polite and tactful in English-speaking cultures. It's essential to recognize when to use this phrase. It's most fitting in informal situations and with people you have a comfortable relationship with. However, it can also be used in more formal situations where the goal is to maintain a pleasant atmosphere. Remember, the aim of agreeing to disagree is to show respect for someone else's opinion, even if it is different from your own. In English-speaking cultures, it is greatly appreciated when people can have open, respectful disagreements. When you use the phrase, agree to disagree, it's important to maintain a neutral or friendly tone. It's not a phrase used to show annoyance or frustration. Here are some example phrases. 1. Well, it seems like we have different tastes in movies. Let's agree to disagree. 2. We may not see eye to eye on this topic, but that's okay. We can agree to disagree. 3. I understand your point, even though I don't share the same view. Let's agree to disagree. Remember, the phrase is used to ensure a positive atmosphere, so keep your body language open and relaxed when using it. In response to someone saying, let's agree to disagree, it's essential to affirm this respectfully. Here are some examples. 1. Yes, that's fair. We can agree to disagree on this one. 2. I respect your viewpoint. Let's agree to disagree. 3. Absolutely, it's okay to have different views. We can agree to disagree. Remember, agreeing to disagree isn't about winning or losing an argument. It's about maintaining respect and understanding in a conversation. There you have it. The art of agreeing to disagree is an important skill in English conversation. It demonstrates your respect for the other person's opinion and helps maintain a peaceful and pleasant conversation. Keep practicing this, and you'll surely enhance your conversational English skills. Remember, English learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay positive, and until next time, happy learning.